Hi everyone, how are you my dear children? Hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are going to discuss about atmospheric refraction. What is this atmospheric refraction? We know what is refraction and we know what is atmosphere. So atmospheric refraction means it is the phenomenon of bending of light. Bending of light is your refraction. So it is the phenomenon of bending of light in passing through the earth atmosphere. So when the light rays will enter into the earth atmosphere, then refraction will happen. So that is your atmospheric refraction. Let us try to understand this. This is your earth surface. Okay, this is earth surface and here atmosphere, and there are different layers of atmosphere. We know troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere, all the different layers are there. As we move away from the surface of the earth, the optical density decreases. The optical density decreases. What does it mean? That means near the surface of the earth, density of air is more. Here, density of air is more. As we move up, the density decreases. That means upper layers of the atmosphere are rarer when you compare to the lower layers of earth atmosphere. So this is rarer if you compare to these layers of the earth. Okay? So when light rays from sun, moon or stars enter the earth atmosphere, that means light rays are coming from rarer to denser mediums, rarer to denser layers. So that means change in medium. So change in medium means refraction will happen. Since this refraction occurs in earth atmosphere, so it is called atmospheric refraction. So light rays suffer multiple refraction. Okay? And this is known as atmospheric refraction. Let us try to understand what are the applications or the phenomenon based on this atmospheric refraction. So first one we are going to discuss today, very interesting one, that is stars seem higher than they actually are. Interesting, higher than they actually are. You know, stars are situated very far away from the earth. Okay? And light from a star travels first in vacuum. Speed of the light is fastest in vacuum, you know that. So when the light rays enter the earth atmosphere, that means your optical density of air increases towards the surface of the earth. Let us try to understand. Suppose this is your earth atmosphere. This is your earth and you are standing over here. Here star is, one star is over here. And now different layers of earth is there. So light from the star will now pass and it will enter into the earth atmosphere. So here it is vacuum. So speed will be more for the light, and when start entering into the earth atmosphere, the speed decreases. Because now light ray is passing from rarer to denser medium. So when light ray pass from rarer to denser, what will happen? The bending of light will happen. That means refraction occurs. So bending of light will be what? Towards the normal, as light is passing from rarer to denser. Okay? So bending every time. This light ray from star travels from rarer to denser layers, and it bends every time when it passes one layer. Suppose now light rays is coming like this. It reaches this layer. So draw a normal over here. Now it will bend towards the normal as it is passing from rarer to denser. So again at this point, again draw a normal. Again the light ray will bend like this. Okay. Again draw the normal. The light ray will bend like this. Okay, towards the normal. See, otherwise the light would have been passed like that. Again draw the normal over here. So light ray will pass like this. Sorry. Again draw the this. So light ray will pass like this, and you are over here. Okay. So light from the sun now reaches your eye. So what your brain will do? Now brain will try to create an image. So how the brain will do that image? It will produce back the path of the light ray. It reaches over here. So for brain, now light is coming from here. Okay. So this is the position. That is your apparent position of the star. This is your actual position. And this is your apparent position of star. Interesting, no? Actually star is over here. Okay. But for the observer, now it is higher than the actual position. Okay. So on producing the final refracted ray backwards, you will see the light rays like this. So here actually the light is bending like this, and for your brain, now this is the apparent position of the star, and you can clearly see it is higher than the actual position of the star. Hope you have understood why stars seems higher than they actually are. Okay children, so in my next lecture we will be discussing more phenomenon and interesting phenomenon like this based on atmospheric refraction. Take care children, and thank you for watching.